The first thing is you must mix all the chicken wing with the powder. Chili powder 1 tablespoon, fish curry powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, the ground herbs 1 teaspoon, ground black pepper half teaspoon. I put also the oil to make it moist. Chicken stock 1 teaspoon, salt, rice flour, 2 spoons of corn flour. Just mix together. We just spray the oil. Preheat first. You use the convex mode. Temperature 190. For timing, I just want to preheat and then start. Just put the chicken wing on top of the oven. (190). Timing is 50 minutes. I push fast rice to become more crispy and then just